So everybody, welcome to a Killstar unbagging, and this is just the bag that the stuff came in. So this is just the Masterless hoodie, and that's the bag that came in. This is me trying to sort out how to show you the back of the hoodie. It's actually an alright print. I like the black on black. And for Killstar, the size is actually alright. You'll see in a minute when I try it on. I'm trying to show you the front right now. The zip seems alright quality as well. And here it is on. So that's the back again. Front, I'm a big guy, so finding Killstar stuff that fits right is hit and miss because their sizing chart is shit. And the thumb hole's pretty cool. I like the thumb hole. Everyone loves a good thumb hole. Again, trying to show you the print down the arm. And the hood is quite big. Quite enjoyed the hood. And it zips up. The zips have got Killstar on, which is quite a nice touch. I'm trying to show you here, it doesn't focus very well, but you get the point. I bought these in a recent sale where they had a deal on for hoodies, then they came up cheaper, and both of them went for cheaper than what I paid for them. I got them on an alright deal, but I'm still not impressed that they did that just after another sale. So this is the other hoodie that I got on their deal. It was like buy one get one half price. It's a massive hood, which I like. It's got this scarf thing with it, which will be quite nice in the winter, keep me warm. It's not too thick a material, it's not that heavy. Both of them are quite lightweight hoodies, which is nice. Now, trying to show off these tiny pockets, and my hands are like almost too big to go in the holes, but the pockets are a good size once you've got your stuff in them. It's just if you have big hands, they're useless. And there's this loose thread here, which was quite annoying to see. You shouldn't be getting that on stuff you're paying this much money for. They should be checking these better before they send them out, I think. But yeah, that's the hand holes, thumb holes again with the big hood. Not much to say about it, it's alright. It's more of an everyday item, and here's the price it went to in the sale. I will add on here that you should only really buy Killstar stuff when it is on sale. Keep it nice and cheap and you'll be happier with it.